So here I am in Domosiat, back to this village after 11 years since we came here with my colleague Chris Stone from Small Seeds Film to make a documentary of the uranium mining project here in this village and the tanks. And it's good to see this community here again after 11 years, but sadly there's been not much change or development here even after more than a decade. Their school has been uprooted because they said no to the public hearing back in 2007. There's no electricity, there's no proper water or sanitation, and it's just a small community of 9 families. So nobody really gives a damn about this village here in Domosiat. But we did go down to the tanks below. We found 4 main tanks and 2 smaller ones that are still leaking a lot of radiation, even though they have been sealed temporarily with some concrete and gravel. But the irony is that the radiation level is still very high, especially next to the stream, which is up to 1.2 millihertz per hour. So if we were to stand in that same place for 2 months, we would literally die of cancer and get lung cancer. But look at the state of this particular village. It's really sad. There's nothing much happening here, and they need urgent help. We need to rebuild their school, a lower primary school for the kids. And I make a call to action to all my friends who are listening to this video to join us and help make a difference in this part of Meghalaya and southwest Khasi Hills, which is really beautiful. And we need to regenerate their forests and create some regenerative agriculture and enjoy a beautiful sunset just like this. This is Bremley Lingdor signing off from Domosiat in southwest Khasi Hills. Thank you very much for listening. So I'm here with Endis Aim, who is one of the leaders from this village, and I hear from him very sad news that after the public hearing in 2007, the authorities actually punished him and this entire community of 9 families by removing the LP school and their teachers. So Basim, can you tell us a little more what happened? Because I was there with you in 2007 during the public hearing. What happened after that?
After the public hearing at Nampak Jalan, they are not even removed the school, but they imprisoned one of the teacher of the school also, because he is the Rangbakur and he teach the school. So while he was in the prisoner, the school was removed from this village.
So has there been any development ever since you said no to the mining of uranium here?
No, we don't have any development except this NRGS. That also only some 20 or 30 meters.
So there's no electricity, there's no water, there's no sanitation, and there's no school. The basic necessities of every village. So I think this is a gross violation of the rights to development, especially for these young people, these young kids, our next generation. Why should they suffer for the decisions you've made to protect their future by not allowing them to mine uranium here? Because they were the ones to be suffering, right?
Yeah.
So this is a call to all my friends out there around the world listening that we need to help Bas Aim. He's a good friend of mine. I've been coming here since 2005 when I was doing research at London School of Economics. And we need to help him build this school, even a bigger one. And we need volunteers, teachers to come and live here from anywhere in the world to teach these little kids, our little angels here, so that they can restore their forests, restore the soil through regenerative farming, and create like a ecological tourism. We will make this village shine again. We will work with our friends. We will welcome researchers from all over the world to come and join us in this crusade to restore this land and protect the forests from being cut down, from being made into charcoal, restore the soil and plant fruit trees, and stop the mining of uranium for generations to come, to protect their lives and their families and their generations for generations and generations to come. Thank you very much. This is Bremley Lingdor signing off from the village of Domosiat with Bas Aim.